Hey guys, it's Tech Tutors here. I'm FameMode123 and this is
MCB Rex.
Today we're going to be showing you how to create a thumbnail in Scratch. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. So first of all, what you want to do is create an empty sprite and call it thumbnail.
So you're going to want to grab a color, fill a color.
Well, yeah.
Look,
we're going to make this a little lightish, a pinkish, right? Yeah, that looks good, right? We'll make it a little dark. Ew. Sorry.
That's horrible.
That looks... Oh, yeah, I'm dumb. We gotta go to bitmap because...
There.
It's kind of annoying when Scratch does that stuff, but then don't forget to make this go to 0, 0.
That is the middle position.
And make sure it doesn't look bad.
Yeah.
Then, what I do, and what a lot of Scratchers do, you can go to something called cooltext.com.
It's better than the preset fonts on Scratch. They're only like 4.
You can get some really, really cool fonts.
And it's all free. We're not advertising, though.
Link in description. So, what do you think would be a good font?
Let's do Miami.
Let's do Tribe.
Miami. Yeah, that's also Miami.
Can't even say it correctly. And we're gonna write how to create a thumbnail.
Watch out for your capitalism there, favorite.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
No, it doesn't really matter for the finished product.
Yeah, because it's okay. Then, don't forget to change the text size to 100 so it can actually fit on your page.
But you could always just change the size of Scratch, so it's not that big of a deal if you...
It looks a little bit worse.
It's not bad if you leave it at 120, but it's better if you have it at 100.
Then go back to Scratch, and then what you're going to do is click Upload, Caution.
Or you can upload it as a backdrop or a sprite and then copy it there. But
if you're wondering, guys, I'm using a Chromebook, and they're actually really, really good for running Scratch.
They are, though.
Recommendation, guys.
Windows 10 is not as good.
No, it's actually not, but sorry, Windows 10 users.
No, but mine it crashes a lot on Chromebook sometimes.
So look, how to create a thumbnail, right? That looks good, right?
But we should add some kind of a picture there, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
So... But what
I'm going to do is I'm going to create an outline of 10. That's 100. And then I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to move this just over here a little bit. Okay.
Wait, what are you doing, Fame Mode?
I'm actually just creating a small little thumbnail.
Why? I mean, why not, right?
Yeah. Why not?
There's no point in this project anyway, so...
I'm sorry, guys. I'm just trying to change the color. So I'm gonna add a little dude.
A little dude.
Actually, I'm gonna change this to a
square.
Yeah, I'm gonna
blocky dude. Not a circle dude. Blocky dude. Blocky dude.
And this is gonna be I'm gonna call this. This is gonna be like think of it all. And then this is just for me. You do not have to do this.
This is just something we're doing. Your thumbnail can be anything you want as long as it's at 0, 0 position and looks good. But we all have different favorite.
And just make sure just to add what you're doing. And we're gonna go back to cool text.
I don't think that we explained exactly what a thumbnail is.
Yeah.
This will be the cover of all the Scratch
So
projects.
instead of, every time you leave your Scratch project at a different point, it will revert back to the point it was at. And you don't want that. You want it to be staying the same.
So now whenever we click the red stop button, it'll look this way.
So you're going to click Save Now.
So that your project doesn't go away.
We're going to name this, actually, instead of going back to cool text, because it will look better, we're going to change this to black. No, let's do it white, actually, because that'll look better.
On the red background, yeah.
Oof. And family.
What is the point in that? Like, what is the point in that?
It's just a little thumbnail, guys. It does not matter.
Is that little blocky guy called Oof?
Yeah.
Okay, hi Oof. You forgot to group those, or you can.
I can't right now. It's kind of annoying.
You have to move the red down.
I know I will. So guys, this is not what you have to do. This is what I have to do.
Whatever we're doing here is just to make our thumbnail look good, but yours, like I said, can be anything that relates to your project.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah, I could make it differ. Okay.
So we're going to delete that. Now we're going to add this.
And he has no eyes.
Whatever, we're just gonna keep it like this.
Okay. Then I listen.
Yellow and let's just change it to yellow and it's yellow.
Yeah.
Oh, I have an idea. Yellow.
Hello. Hello, I'm yellow. Yeah, that makes sense.
Ooh, I cannot breathe. We're gonna change this to 10. Make it look like he's jumping over something.
Oh, it's like a platformer.
Yeah. We're gonna make this. Ah!
No mic. I said no mic for accident.
It doesn't matter.
No, I'm saying it like I don't know why I said no mic. But if there's anybody watching this named Mike, then this is a shout out to you. Hi, Mike. Sorry. Oh, you're moving the red.
You guys. Oh, also, here's another tip. Actually put effort into your art.
Sometimes people are really good with the coding, but the art sucks, and vice versa, and that just like makes the project bad.
You have to actually
put effort into your art and your coding. We're spending too much time on making it look good.
See, look, that's gonna be my thumbnail.
Wait, let me see. So now, save now. Just
you're gonna want to go to code. You're gonna.
All right. This is.
You're gonna want to go to events. You're gonna select when green flag clicked. Go to looks.
We need a forever box.
No, it's go to looks actually.
No, I'm saying we need a forever box in the future.
We're gonna go to looks and go down to show. Get a show. Attach it under the green flag.
And
then go to motion.
I'm getting this out for now. And we'll need to go to X00.
Go to 0. Put it right there.
Go to front layer.
And then you also want to get a set color effect or whatever.
And then you're going to change it to ghost.
And set ghost to 100.
Put that under the go to front layer.
And then attach the forever button.
Save it. But now one thing.
We're just going to look. We're going to show you something, guys. So let's just create.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do. I was going to make something that you can see, like.
This is there.
Random.
Don't
thing.
question.
Don't question our.
See,
randomness.
look there. It's a random thing.
Yeah. Very
it's
random.
a spaceship. So see how you can see this, right? Now watch this.
You have to press the green flag.
Oh, sorry. Click the green flag, then click flag. Look.
Wait, that's purple. That's yellow. Who cares?
Doesn't matter. And that's pretty much how you create a thumbnail.
Thank you for watching.
I really hope you guys enjoyed.
Even though this was a really not so great first video.
It was short, but don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.